So today we're going to be making a vegetable and pasta bake. So let's begin. So I have some pre-boiled pasta. So I'm going to add a layer of this. Let's just spread this out. So I'm going to add some sliced carrots. I'm using fresh carrots. So I'm now going to add some sliced red onions. And now some broccoli. So I've chopped up 2 cloves of garlic, which I'm just going to spread. Going to sprinkle some salt, some white pepper, some paprika, so I'm now going to add some cheese sauce. So I've made this. So this is a homemade cheese sauce, and you can get the recipe from my cheese sauce video. And finally I'm going to add some grated cheese. So I'm going to cover this up with some foil, and I'm going to pop this in the oven for 1 hour on a gas mark 6. Okay, this is now ready and out of the oven. I'm going to now plate this up. So I hope you enjoyed our vegetable pasta bake. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And thanks guys for watching.